Good morning guys, welcome to another video from rich city of Mumbai. The first order of the day is breakfast. Have stuffed paratha. It is mixed vegetables stuffed inside, and there is some bit of butter on top, which is a must in India. So this is bundi raita, this is stuffed paratha. We have got some onions as well and a piece of lemon with buttermilk. I think this will be a perfect late breakfast. So let's try this one and see how is the stuffed paratha. This is very nice. You can feel most of the vegetables are green inside. There is cauliflower, beans and some herbs in there, but it tastes very good and it goes well with the butter. It's cooked well, and the back, the front, and it is very yummy. It's better than the paratha that I had in Udaipur for breakfast. This is very good. Let's try this. This one, I don't know what they call it. I forgot the name again. It is yogurt with some bits, but I don't know what it is. Kind of bread or flour in it. But let's try with chutney, green chutney. Green chutney is also nice. It's not spicy. It is coriander and mint, which I can taste these things. So far, I can say. So breakfast is done here. Bagat tarchan. There's lots of these bagat tarchan, and the guy was saying that they are cousins, and there is like 6-7 of them. There is bagat tarchan. There is one, there is another one there is another one was the other side. There's a marketplace which is hustling and bustling with people. A lot of traders selling all sorts of products in here. So the breakfast is done over there at bagat tarchan, a nice paratha, and the price was 120 rupees. So we had 2 parathas and 2 buttermilk, which is called lassi, and it cost us 336 rupees. It is wonderfully cheap compared to where I live. And now we are off to the gateway of India, and we are getting a taxi, one of these taxis. So this is the market area in here. It's busy, noisy, smell. It is kind of the heart of it here. Everything is just kind of crazy here. This big cow is chilling on the road. I like this city. It is, the vibe is different. Another thing is that every city in India you go to any city of India, the feel is and the vibe is different over there. It is the same thing. We went to Jaipur. Jaipur is a crazy, noisy, lots of smell and lots of street food. There is a lot of tea, masala tea over there, or ginger tea, but I haven't noticed in here. In Mumbai so far, there is not that much tea stalls in here, and the feel is different. Jaipur was different. It was the history, the pink city, the center. And when we went to Udaipur is quite relaxed and chilled. It is kind of a honeymoon destination, to my opinion. There is the lakes and the nature and the dreamy landscapes that you go. When I went to the Monsoon Palace, it is fantastic. and then you come back to Mumbai and it is completely a different vibe, different energy, different culture. But so far so good. I didn't film it last night. I had a bit of like relaxing walk by the Marine Drive, and it was very nice. I like the vibe. It looks cleaner than I was thinking. I was thinking that Mumbai is kind of very dirty. Even these very busy areas, it is cleaner, and that's what I like it. And the vibe is different here. It looks more rich. They are saying that the richest, one of the richest cities in the world in here per capita. But yeah, so this is a city that so far I liked it. The vibe is good, and it's first day, so we will go around. Okay guys, we arrived at Gateway of India, which is packed in here. It's quite busy. Yeah, I will make you free videos. Okay? The security and the hustlers that they are taking videos and stuff. They were asking for us to take videos, and yeah, this is another guy who's selling something.
The magnet postcard.
Gateway of India and Mumbai, but I don't know why they are covering this one with this green thing. And let's go and check it out. This is Gateway of India. It was built in commemoration for landing or arrival of King George V in 1911, December of 1911. But they never saw it built, and the actual construction started in 1914 or 1915, and it finished in 1924, which is took 10 years to build this one. And this is a landmark of Mumbai now. And over there we have the Taj Hotel, which is one of the most expensive hotels in Mumbai. नहीं चाहिए भैया, धन्यवाद. So the another significance of this monument is that the last British troop withdrawal was through this gate, and that is, I think, significant for Indians after the independence of India. So the last British troop exited through this gate. So how much?
I don't like this.
But I like it.
Yeah, I don't like it.
I like it.
This is I don't like it.
Why you don't like it? Are you hiding something?
No, you don't like. I don't like this picture.
No, why you don't like it?
No, I don't like.
Are you
picture.
hiding something? No, I have to film it.
No, there is a price. There is a ticket.
Okay.
This is I don't like.
You don't like video, then I don't want to go.
No, you don't want to go. No problem.
Yeah,
there is
it's
the
fine.
office. You go
No,
there.
if I want to go, I make video all the way.
No, I don't make video.
Okay, bye then.
If there is the office.
Yeah.
You buy the ticket. There is a price.
Okay, no problem.
So there is the office, and we know there is the office. Why you came here to tell us? Why did you
Many
come?
people they don't.
And this aisle behind in front of the gateway of India. It is a busy street food. The only thing is that everything has got salad, or it is this kind of fruit that they are washing with normal water, with tap water, which everybody is advising for tourists from Europe not to eat. But it is risky to eat or not to eat this kind of food. Let's try a street food in here. Chana masala, but it's got salad in it. Bit risky. So let's try this chana masala. There is all these ingredients. There is chutney, there is coriander, there is a kind of masala. This is how they are making it. Bit of lemon. And then, is it good, brother? This is good? Favorite in Mumbai? Yes. Yeah, since this guy is saying it is the best one in here. Not the best, but maybe favorite of Mumbai. And it costs 30 rupees. Thank you. It is tasty. I'm eating it, but let's see what will happen later. Just walking along in this market is called Colaba Causeway Market. Colaba Market. There is jewelry, hello, car shop, everything. People are selling in here. There's a bit of street food in here. I don't know what is it. The restaurant. Hello. Namaste.
Namaste.
Mostly clothes sold in here. Namaste. So this is kind of a street market in here. It is just after you get out of gateway of India. Well, Nariyal as well here. How much?
60 rupees each.
60 rupees.
60.
Too expensive, brother.
No. The coconut.
What do you
really?
mean?
60 rupees.
60 rupees, huh?
60.
Okay, भैया दे दो एक अच्छा सा दे दो हाँ? With full of water and juice inside. Let's get coconut in here. First coconut or second coconut in India. Oh, this is how they're skilled. Oh, bhaiya, is it fresh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's how professionals are doing. Oh, that is yum yum. Oh, thank you, bro. Can I have another straw? Thank you. This is, oh, thank you. So let's try this one. Oh, this is so good. It's refreshing. There's a lot of water inside. So the white bit that is inside, they call it malai, and they are cutting it. The guy is professional. Oh, so look at that. That's how they do it.
That's cream.
Hmm?
Indian ice cream.
Indian ice cream,
Yeah.
natural ice cream.
That's
huh?
it.
This full of malai here. Big chunks in here, big chunks. Mmm. It's all good, natural goodness in there.